Winston, it was the sound of it starting. The title of this episode was going to be You Guys Were Sleeping, but not anymore. Because Winston, I woke you up, you woke Humphrey up, and now the episode is ruined. Well, I guess that's not what I wanted. I wanted to say that they were sleeping, but I guess not. So, Humphrey, are you just relaxing? Yeah. Guys, I'm not going to make that long of a video. It's going to be like a minute long, so. I was going to say that they were sleeping, but I guess not. Let's go check on ice really quick. Oh, it's getting cold. It's been about a half an hour since the last video that we were tearing the stickers off, so. Well, see you guys later. Hit the like button and subscribe. See you next time.